Okay. I understand that a loan modification is usually done to lower the payment to make it more affordable, but does it ever make sense to help a seller do a loan modification to put the arrears on the back of the loan? Yes, absolutely it does. And when we run into people that have a situation like that, where they haven't made their payment in several months and the arrears are significant, you see that a lot now during, and post COVID, where people have 30, 40, $50,000 in arrears because they haven't made a payment. You would want to try to negotiate with the bank to get that put on the back end of the note. And they can do that one of a couple of ways. They can either just put it all on the back end where it has to be paid. They can completely modify the loan and just draw up new paperwork where it starts the amortization over again. Or they can put a second mortgage on the property where you have payments in addition to the first mortgage. So that's what they do with the arrears. We've seen a lot of that recently where homeowners have a second mortgage on there that's given to them. Just like their first mortgage that they have with the same lender. We see that a lot now. So you can do it one of several different ways, and it just really depends on what the seller will qualify for and what the bank's willing to do. Ideally, we'll get that put on the back end. Our second choice would probably be to have it put on as a second mortgage. But generally, when we buy a house, if it's a small amount of arrears, we won't even try to do that. If it's under $20,000, we'll just go ahead and pay that, and we'll recoup that from our buyer's down payment. But absolutely, you want to try to get a loan mod if you've got anything, in my opinion, anything over $20,000. Otherwise, we just pay it and go on to the next thing. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.